Okay, so for some of you guys who are still wondering if the simplicity system actually works, on this account here, as you know, I just did a video on Sunday that talked about stop trading so many currency pairs. But what I did for this particular demonstration is I took a bunch of trades and just held on to them for a little while just so you can see, you know, how to trade using the system and how simple it is. When we call it simplicity, I mean it's really simple. So you're going to see it yourself. So I took about 11 or 12 trades and just been sitting on them with this account here and showing you guys how it played out. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. And by the way, if you want to see on your own charts, you can always go to the date of 9/29/2020. So that's September 29th, 2020. Okay, so you can always check the charts for yourself and see whether what I'm showing you is actually the truth or not, with or without indicators. So again, you can remove any indicators that you want and you'll have what's called naked charts, which will only be the candlestick patterns themselves. And you can actually go back to the date that I'm telling you, whether you see this video in the next hour or whether you see it in the next year. You can always go back to that date and you'll be able to verify these trades. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through it. So I'm going to start with the A's. I took a bunch of these, and normally, again, I do not trade a lot of pairs at one time, but for the sake of argument, I wanted to show you guys the simplicity system in its entirety with 11 live trades. So as you can see, the pip count is moving here. Okay, and this is the AUD CAD, and you can see I'm up 35 pips on that one. Let's go to another one, and this is AUD Swiss. And this one is just beginning its ascent, and I'm up 6 pips on that one. Let's go to AUD JPY, and as you can see, I'm in positive pips on this one. This was actually one that I did send out to the signals group, so we're in this trade, and as you can see, we're making money on that one. Then you have AUD JPY, I'm sorry, AUD USD. It's right there. You all can see the symbols right there, and you can see I'm up 23 pips on that one. Let's go to the C, which is CAD JPY. And as you can see, I'm up 24 pips on that one. Signal came in right here. Took a while, but it's heading in the right direction. All right. And let's look at this one here, which is a nice one here. You see the trade is right here. My entry was way up here. Okay. Because what happened was it dipped down. And when it came back to the retrace area, I tapped it right there. Got him. Ding, ding. Got him. Got him. Okay, and as you can see, I'm up 90 pips on that one there. And then you have this one here, Euro JPY. And again, the symbol is there. I'm up 44 pips on that one. Let's go to the N pairs, which is NCAD. And NCAD is we're up 24 pips. And this is another one that I send a signal out to the signals group. And currently we're up 24 pips on that one. And so we're just waiting for it to go to our TP. And it's just patiently drifting along. And that's what happens sometimes, you know, sometimes it just drifts along and then all of a sudden, boom, you get these explosive moves. So it's in positive territory. We're making money. So, hey, we're good to go. Let's go to another one. NZD, JPY. You can see we're up 19 pips on that one. And let's go to another one. And that is NZD, USD. As you can see, we're up 5 pips, or I'm up 5 pips. I hadn't sent those out to the signals group. And here's the last one. And that would be gold. And I did a video already on gold, and as you can see, it's a nice, beautiful trade right here. You can see our entries right there, and you can see our take profit, and this is one that I did send out to the signals group. Okay, so those are some live trades, so you can see proof that the system actually works. There's no faking, shaking, or baking to it. It is what it is, and so therefore, you know, it's just a wonderful trading system. Let's look at some others that I got my eyes on, and that would be this one here, Euro USD. As you can see, it's looking cooking hot and ready. I have this one already on my personal account, which is doing very well, and that's the Euro, and this is my other account. This is just a small account. On my big account, I'm already in this one, which is the USD Swiss, which, you know, it acts in reverse of the Euro USD. When the Euro USD is going up, the Euro Swiss is heading down. Okay, and just for the sake of pinpointing this discussion, I'm not going too heavy on the USD pairs on my personal account. Why? Because on Friday, you have non-farm payroll, NFP. And typically when that happens, you know, you get the spiking going on. So that's the only reason I'm not going hard in the paint. So those are some that I'm looking at as well, in addition to the ones that's already open. Okay, so this is live proof. So let's count the trades. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That was 11 trades, 11 pairs using the same exact system. You see what I'm saying? I mean, it's just money available for you guys. All right. So stop struggling in Forex. Come on, quit playing. You've been looking at our videos and watching and wondering, and you know, I don't know how many more live proof videos I need to provide for you, but you know, take your time whenever you feel warm and fuzzy. But nevertheless, as you can see, the system works. Okay, you guys? All right, I'll see you on the inside. And if you join, you'll be in class with me on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and on mornings during the U.S. session, and on Tuesday night with Miss Jenny, who is a 6-figure trader in this business. So you'll be getting those classes along with the Simplicity system. And this class schedule is in the tutorial. So once you sign up on our website, just click on the join button. And once you do that, you'll be able to get started with the tutorial program. And I'll show you that real quick. So it's right here. Sorry about the small screen because I'm actually about to do something else. But as you can see, just click on the join button right there. And you'll be able to go to our join the family. And once you do that, you're good to go. Okay. And everything that you need will be on the inside. Okay. All right. Bye.